Hey guys, this is Neil back with another video. In this video I'll be talking about, let me show you something. So today we are going to unbox this new Republic Nu Enrgy headset. These are the specification of the new Republic headphones, and these are the more information and downside. As you can see that there is the more information about from where it got manufactured, from where we got.
So let's jump in and see what we are getting. So as you can see in the picture, we have the bunch of ear tips with the multiple colors like yellow, green and black with the carrying case, and again we are also getting USB to micro USB type of cable to charging our earphones, and our earphones comes with the earband, which is again a great thing. It will help us to keep the earbuds inside our ears. And you are thinking about why the yellows are not in the medium size, because medium size are there inserted in with our earphones. So for powering up this device, for at the right side, this new logo we need to long press, and as you can see it is indicating the light. And let me grab my phone and let's pair it up. So I'm going to Bluetooth. Okay, so Nu Enrgy came here and we are pairing it up, and it got paired as you can see on the screen.
Okay, so after the successful pairing with my smartphone, let me try this headphone and give you my first impression about this headphones. So let me first try how much time it will take for me to insert it into my ears. So as you can see, I am grabbing it up and inserting in my ears. Right is done, left is also done. So as you can see, it has the sport type it is the sports type earphones, and it feels like somewhat like the Beats Power, so which is again a great thing, and it has a great material use, so you cannot feel a cheap for your ears. So as you can see, these are the fitting rightly to me. So let me hear the song and give you my first impression. So start. So this headphones has a very rich bass compared to any other headphones in this price bracket, and also it has a CVC noise cancellation, so you cannot hear annoying sounds around you, which is again a great thing. And it also has a Snapdragon CSX 8435 inside it, so it will give you a better connection with your smartphone. But because of the 8435 or the what is the number, I don't remember, I will show you on the screen. So it will not allow you to use app tag, so which is a downgrade for this headphones. But I paid only 1799 rupees for this headphones on the Amazon Freedom sale, so which is again a great thing. For getting the app tags you need to pay around 3,000 to 4,000. So as the price goes, these are the well built and well settled headphones, and other things we will talk about in our next video, which will be my review video. But for that I want to ask you guys one thing: for the review you want English or Hindi or other language? Let me know in the comment section. So that's it from me guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more videos from me, subscribe the channel. If you have any type of suggestion, comment below. Thanks for watching. Peace.